Hi everyone. So today we're going to be doing a fun activity to find out what the angles in a triangle add up to. And when I talk about the angles in a triangle, I'm talking about the inside of the angles of the triangle. And so what you're going to do is grab a piece of paper, could be in a notebook, could be printer paper, whatever you have around, and you're going to draw a triangle. And it helps if you do have a ruler to draw your triangle, but you don't need one. Just try to make your lines as straight as possible. So with a triangle, as I draw this, I just want to make sure I have 3 angles and 3 sides, and then of course my triangle is closed because that's the only way it can be a polygon. So let's go ahead and draw triangles here. Pause the video if you need to, grab some paper, grab a marker, or a pencil even works. Alright, so here's my triangle. I didn't measure these angles at all, alright? All I did was connect 3 lines to make a triangle. Now I'm going to label each of these angles 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And it doesn't matter which angle is which, you're just going to label it 1, 2, and 3. I put little marks around mine, alright? So notice these angles are all on the inside of the triangle, 1, 2, and 3, because we're looking at the interior angles, the inside angle measures. And now what you're going to do is cut this triangle out. Okay, so you're going to cut this triangle out with a scissors. So at this time, if you need to run and go grab some scissors, please do so. That's what I'm going to do right now. So all right, here we are. All I'm going to do is cut this triangle out. Hopefully you guys are having a good day today. Looks like the week ahead is going to be full of some sunshine, a little bit of wind, unfortunately. All right, so I've got my triangle here. I just cut it out. And now what I'm going to do is cut out these angles. So I'm going to cut out right here, cut out angle 3. Then I'm going to cut out right here, angle 2. And now I'm going to cut out angle 1. And you'll notice I have 3 angles, the 3 angles of my triangle. And I'm going to line these up so that these angles are connected to each other. So let's see here. We've got angle 2 right next to angle 1. And then we have angle 3 next to angle 2. So it should look like this. I don't know if you can see. Oh, I might need to make an adjustment here. It's kind of hard to show you guys while I'm holding these in my hand. I think I got it now. All right, so I'm holding these 3 angles together, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. And you're going to notice something. They create what? What are these creating? And you might see it a little bit better if you lay it down on a desk. But you'll notice that these are creating a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, which is covered up by my thumb, they create a straight line. So look at the very bottom. You'll see that it's a straight line right now. My black lines are connected. It's 180 degrees. So that means if we take the angle measure of 3, put it with the angle measure of 2, and the angle measure of 1, we're going to create 180 degrees, which tells us what? Well, it tells us that the measures of the interior angles of a triangle, so we make a triangle here, this angle, that angle, and this angle are all going to add up to 180 degrees. Kind of a fun activity to see how that works.